Yo, this is Boston with Madden coming back to you with another Madden mobile video. Today we'll be opening up the player packs. It says here, give your roster a massive boost with this pack of 12 or better players at Frozen Item. So let's go right into them. First pack, we get DeMarcus Ware, Lee Smith, Talvin Smith, Will Snead. There's our first elite. Joe Staley, Melvin Gordon. Get a Packers logo. Cole Almezy. It's not a bad pull. Jarrell Casey. And Logan Ryan football side. That's basically it. It's not a terrible pack to start off. So we open up our second pack. We get a Kenny Britt, Purific, Kilgore, Newton, Bolin Briggs. There's our collectible, the Broncos. Seth Roberts, Will Hill, Darius Butler, Larry Donnell, and Ryan Weddle. Well, so that first pack was much better than the second one, but they are not too terrible packs. Well, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.